Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Norwood is a charming village located within the township of Asphodel Norwood, in Peterborough County, Ontario. Situated along Highway 7, it lies approximately 30 kilometers east of Peterborough. The village's history dates back to the early 19th century. Joseph A. Keeler, recognized as the founder of Norwood, acquired land in the area in 1825. The surrounding Asphodel Township was established in 1821 and named after the Greek word for lily. Norwood is renowned for its annual Norwood Fall Fair, a tradition since 1868, held every Thanksgiving weekend. This event celebrates the community's agricultural heritage and features various family-friendly activities. The area is characterized by features such as the Norwood Esker, a 25-kilometer-long ridge formed by glacial activity. This natural formation traverses diverse landscapes, including kames and drumlins, contributing to the region's unique topography.
Thanks for watching!